Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to remove PIN password in Messenger. So in order to remove PIN password in Messenger, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is to remove the PIN or password in Messenger, you need to disable the secure stores feature and end-to-end encrypted chat as well. So here, first of all, you want to open the Messenger application first thing. Now, as you could see, I have a biometric enabled. Now then, what next you need to do is on this page, you simply want to go to the home page right over here, and after which you want to click on the menu bar from the bottom of the page and go to settings. So when you go to settings, what next you want to do is come to or scroll down and go to security. So here you could find these security options. You could just go to privacy and safety, and there you have these app lock. So toggle the button for these, and if you want to toggle or if you want to remove, just toggle the button, and that is how you'll be able to remove pin in Messenger. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.